how to leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football. So if you want to leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to open up your ESPN Fantasy app on your mobile device and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your active leagues displayed in a carousel at the top of your home screen. Swipe left or right to find the one you wish to exit. Tap the leagues icon to enter its main page. Here, you will find league standings, rosters, and settings. Scroll down past the weekly matchups and chat section until you reach the bottom of the page. You'll see a red league button on the top. You need to tap on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you really want to leave. So you need to tap on confirm, and the app will instantly remove the league from your list and send you back to the home screen. Remember, leaving a league is permanent. If you ever decide to return, you'll need to rejoin using the league's invite link or broadcast. You will have the join option right here. You need to tap on join in whichever league that you would like to join and go through the draft process again. Make sure you understand how exit and re-entry rules work before tapping that button. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.